Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x over 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 36. Or taking common 6 to the power x, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 over, now taking common 2 to the power x, we will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 36. Or 6 to the power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 over 2 to the power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 36. Or 6 to the power x over 2 to the power x times 3 over 2 is equal to 36. Or 6 to the power x over 2 to the power x is equal to, now here we will get 36 times 2 over 3. Now 3 divided 36 we will get 12. Or 6 to the power x over 2 to the power x is equal to 12 times 2 is 24. Or now we know an exponential formula, a to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a over b whole to the power m. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 6 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 24. Or 2 divided by 6, here we will get 3, so we can write 3 to the power x is equal to 24. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 3 to the power x is equal to log of 24. Or this x move here, so we can write here x times log of 3 is equal to log of 24. Or now divided both sides by log of 3, we can write here x times log of 3 over log of 3 is equal to log of 24 over log of 3. Or this log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so here we will get x is equal to log of 24 can be written as 3 times 8 over log of 3. Or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 3 plus log of 8 over log of 3. Or x is equal to log of 3 over log of 3 plus log of 8 over log of 3. Or x is equal to, this log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so here we will get 1 plus log of 8 can be written as log of 2 cube over log of 3. Or x is equal to 1 plus this 3 move here, so we will get 3 times log of 2 over log of 3. Or x is equal to 1 plus 3 times log of 2 over log of 3. Or x is equal to 1 plus 3 times, here we can write log of 2 base 3. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 1 plus 3 times log of 2 base 3, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.